Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to Google Meet notification problem on Samsung Galaxy S26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now let's click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. You will see apps is here, so click on apps. Now here scroll down and search Meet. You will see Google Meet. So click on search icon and click on Meet app. Now here click on notifications. So if you want to fix notification problem, so make sure one notification button is turned on. So after turn on notification button, go back and click on storage and click on clear cache. So after click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can Google Meet notification problem on Samsung Galaxy S26. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.